Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have a given question: 2 power x minus 1 equals to x plus 1, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So let's provide solution very quickly, and we have to copy. We have 2 power x minus 1 here, which equals to x plus 1. What should we do here is to remove this x minus 1 that we have right here to go to this part. So we shall say we have 2 power x minus 1, then power 1 over x minus 1. So what we do on one side, we have to do it on another side. X plus 1 times 1 over x minus 1 right here. So here we shall get 2 power x minus 1 over x minus 1 will be x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1. So here we have 2 will be x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1. Now, if you're still next way, this is what we have right here. Now, we want this part to look the same as this part that we have, but this part, they are different, right? So what should we do? Now, this is what we are going to do right here is, now, at this stage, we know that here, this 2 is equals to square root of 4, and this will be x plus 1 over here, this is the power x minus 1, and this 4 can be 4 power 1 over 2, which equals to x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1. Right? Now, here at this stage, this 4 can be 3 plus 1 power 1 over, this 2 can be 3 minus 1. So that here we have x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1. If you're seeing this way, this can be x, and here we have this one, and we have plus. We have this, it is the same, and they give same answer. So we can equalize each other, so that here we have x plus 1, which equals to x minus 1, so that here we shall get this, and this will go to get x equals to 3. And if you are equalizing power, we shall get here 3 minus 1 equals to x minus 1. Right here, this is what we have. Because we have numbers which are here, we have x plus 1. Now we shall get this one, this to be cancelled to get x equals to 3. To mean our answer is equals to 3. But here we have to check if the answer is correct. We have 2 power x minus 1, which equals to x plus 1. And here we have 2 power 3 minus 1 equals to 3 plus 1. And this is 2 power 2, which is equals to 4. And 4 equals to 4. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.